So let me quickly implement the login page button. Right, the login page button is just here. So on press root.go to login. That's how I would call the function. And so we are in the sign up screen success rule, which means we need to go to the sign up screen success class and define the go to login function self, and of course self.manager.current equal to the login screen, which is this one in here. So we already have that screen, we don't have to create a new screen now. So save the QV file and execute sign up U6 P6. It doesn't matter what username and password you submit. Sign up successful, that's the label, login page, and it takes you back to the login screen. Now, something to keep in mind is the direction of the transition of the screens. So currently, by default, the transition is called left. So you go sign up. So the movement is that the next screen is going towards the left. So U8, P8. Now the next screen will go towards the left, like that. And when you go to login, maybe you'd want to go to the right. So to change the transition to the right, which makes more sense. So if you want to do that, go to where you were setting the current screen. And so we want to change the transition of the login screen. So when we set the current screen as login, we want that the manager.transition.direction is right. Execute that. Sign up. I'm just going to submit some empty strings there just to be quick with this trying out all the interface. So submit that's a new user with empty strings, it doesn't matter. You can put some restrictions later if you like. So go to the login page. And so this time the next screen is coming from the left towards the right. So if that is what you want, which I think it makes some sense, then you need to use this transition property of the manager property, which has a direction property, and set it to right. That's the idea.